Hello dear friends, today I'd like to share about a teaching aid, your centroid of a triangle, how to draw medians, how to show the medians are concurrent, what is the point, and how any centroid divides a median in 2:1 ratio. So this is an open page. I have opened it. I don't need any this graph page, so I'll click on this blank one. Just see, if you will click on this purple triangle, this menu will come. Click on this grid. Here we'll get this plain one. I'll click on the blank one. Then still axes are there. So if I click on this axis, it will give me a blank page. Next, I'll go for I'll draw a triangle. You have already learned it, or you have not done, or you have doubt, you can go through or watch my last videos. So I'm taking a polygon here. I'll draw specifically a triangle today. I'm drawing any triangle. It's not the equilateral triangle or that will go afterwards. So here this small a, b, c are sides that I want not to be shown on the screen. So I'll go to this small a is here. I'll click on settings. Then show label will be unchecked so that there will be no a. Similarly for b, once I'll click on the triple dots, then I'll click on uncheck the C label, show label. Next one is show label will be unchecked. And if you by mistake uncheck this show object, then the line will not be shown. That means the line will go, line will be deleted. So it's not deleted, it will not be visible, or it will hide. This means this line will be hiding. So then I am closing it, so I got a triangle. Then I'll draw the medians. For medians, I need the midpoint of the side. So next is how to find the midpoint of a line or line joining 2 points. So I'll go here. So see, a point on object, intersect. This is the midpoint. Fourth one is midpoint. I'm clicking. For midpoint, I'll click on B and I'll click on C. This point is D. D is the midpoint of A and B. Similarly, next I'm going for midpoint of A and C. Same tool is checked here. You can see this highlighted. That means I am on this tool. Then I'll go to A and C. It will give me the midpoint of AC. And the last one is A and B. This is midpoint of F. Now I want to show you whether it is midpoint or how to verify this is midpoint. So I'm going for another tool, that is distance between 2 points. If you click on angle, here you will find this third one is distance of length. So I am clicking on this. I am finding the distance from B to D. It is showing me BD is equal to 6. Now let us check DC if it is whether 6 or not. If it is 6, then it is correct. So it is highlighted, that means I am measuring the distance. Then I'll go to D and C. DC is also 6. That means you can convince the children that this is the midpoint. So next is joining the medians. So what is a median? Median is a line segment joining the vertex with the midpoint of the opposite side. So D is the midpoint of BC. A is the vertex. So if I join this A and D, that will be the median AD. For this, I'm going to line tool, joining line segment. So I'll go for segment, second one. Then once I'll click on A and I'll click on D. So I'm getting a line that is your medians. So that line is written as F. So F is the C. Immediately you see, check the algebra tool or algebra screen, you will find that what you are drawing, it is all written there. So I want that F should not be here. So I click on this, I'll go to setting, then show label will be unchecked, there will be no C. No, first you must be thinking it is a tedious job. Now, when you'll go for practice or you'll draw continuously, then you won't find it is very difficult. Next is I'll join your BE. So I'll go BE, I'll click on B and your E and B. So BE is another median. I'm coloring it. I'm coloring with what I did. I click here on the color. So immediately it is highlighting this. You are in this step. That means you can color, you can change, write, you can write the style, you can put the dotted line, you can put the line end. All this click you can find. Set the line state, it will show you dotted line. It can be thick. If I go for 5, 9, more than that it will be thick, then I'll come here, it will be thin. So you can draw line thin or thick according to your wish. Similarly, you can style, you can take dotted lines. This is dotted line, anything as you like. This part is finished, but I don't want this. Just see, immediately there is a point and a line which I did not want it, but it is drawing. So I'll go for Control Z. Immediately Control Z at a time. So it will, that means this is undo. Undo the things. Next, this G I don't want to be written in here. So I'll go for the settings. Then I'll go unchecked show labels. It will not show you the name of this line. Next, again I'll go for last median. Immediately you can cross it so that it will go automatically. Then I'll join F and C. So here I am drawing another color. I am coloring blue. So blue is median from C to AB. Orange color is from B to AC, and AD I have written a solid color. Just see, these 3 lines are intersecting each other, and when 3 lines intersect each other, we call point of concurrence, or we say they are concurrent. So this is the proof that they are concurring. They are passing through coincident. They are passing through a single point, that is point of coincidence or point of intersection. That will be, this point is, let me name it, name the point. So how to name the point? First let me verify whether it is the point of intersection or not, or it is I can assuming it they are intersecting. So for that I am going to another tool, that is point of intersection. So first let me make this solid line so that it will be better. This is G, I am making it solid. G line, things. Then I will go for style. Here from where I am taking line style, it will be solid line. Okay. Now I am finding the intersection of AD and B, or any other two, pair of two. So I'll go for intersection point. This is the, here you see, am I getting this perpendicular, parallel, perpendicular, bisector, angle bisector? No. Then it must be here intersecting point. See, this fourth one is intersect. So I'll take these two lines. One line is, just click on the line AD and click on the line BE. You will find that point of intersection. Automatically it will write that this point is G. So G is point of intersection of three medians, and that is called centroid, you know, that is centroid. Next job is to find whether centroid divides AD medians in ratio 2:1. Let us verify. So what I'll take the distance of AG or measurement of AG. I'll go for angle measurement. Here is the distance measurement. So distance between A and G. AG is 4. Then I'll go for G and D. G and D. It is 2. Now let us see whether AD, how much is AD. So again, I am making slightly, here I want to again show something new, that you can do zoom in, you can do zoom out to make the screen bigger and smaller. If zoom in means small, bigger, and zoom in is smaller. You can make small, you can make big to visible on the screen or in the appropriate position. Or you can, as I discussed on that day, you can move the graphic view also. You can move the graphic view. Now, you must be thinking, if it will move automatically by our action of the hands, it can move always, but you can fix it also. You can fix this triangle. Let me see how to fix this. Let me show how to fix this triangle. So T1 is polygon ABC. I am fixing it. I'll go for this triple dots, then settings, then here I'll fix the object. I'll fix. Here see fix. If it is auxiliary, then it will move. If it is fixed, you cannot move it. Even you take the move tool, you cannot move it. You cannot move it. Now I cannot move it. I can move on the screen the whole thing, but I cannot move this triangle. This one vertex I cannot move. This triangle is fixed. I cannot move any of this vertex, any of the point. So last part is to measure A and D. So I'll go for distance A and D. Let us see how much it is. It is 7 centimeter. Then it is not dividing in 2:1. Why? Because I have round off the length. So let me go to exact length. Where I'll go to what I'll go to settings. For settings, here I have taken 1 decimal. It will be, I am taking 2 decimal. Okay. Then save settings to exactly show. See, this is total is 6.62. This is 2.2. This is your 2.21. Or let me make it one place so that it will be more understandable. I am making 1 decimal and I am saving it. You see, this is 4.4, 6.6, 2.2. So they are in ratio 2:1. So the point centroid divides each median into ratio 2:1. Now you can find other two also. You can give children as the assignment. So I hope you have enjoyed this. It is a magic tool for mathematics teacher, and all the best for your teaching. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you for subscribing.